Navigate to Hockley Valley Resort, please. Hello guys, today we are going to Orangeville. It's a great place, just 40 minutes away from our place. It's called Hockley Valley Resort. We're finally here. The place behind us, that one over there, is called Hockley Valley Resort, which is only 1 hour driving north of Toronto. We're gonna go and do some hiking right now. We have some maps here, and then we're gonna come here and get some lunch. Enjoy the lunch. We're back at the resort right now. We had to cut our hike a bit short. It was too hot. And now we're in line to get a place on this patio so we can get our lunch. The beer has arrived. Alright, we're in the town of Orangeville, which is pretty small. The population is only 30,000 people, and it was apparently incorporated in 1873. What I want to really do is I want to take my drone all the way up and have a look at it all the way from the top. View from the top, Orangeville, Ontario. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the aerial footage of Orangeville. We're now going to take a stroll in downtown Orangeville, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel to see a new video every single week.